I grabbed my front and back sloper as well as my sleeve. I copied it onto some paper and then I cut it out. To make my cutout, I went 2.5 inches out from the center front, and then I went 3.5 inches up from the waistline. I then took my straight ruler and squared a line going towards the center front, and I squared a line going down towards the waistline from those markings. I then took my styling ruler to form the curve for the cutout. To form the cutout gathers, I did the slash and spread method. Then I taped the bodice down to another piece of paper and kind of spread it out. I don't know, I didn't measure the width between each spread, so it is what it is. So now I'm cleaning up my lines for the cutout. I then cut away the excess paper, and now my pattern is ready to cut out a fabric. I marked 1/2 inch for the cutout and 1/2 inch for the hem of the front and the back, and I did 5/8 for the sleeve. I then cut the pattern pieces out of this 4-way stretch knit, and I decided to make a neckband for my top, so I measured the front and back of the neck, multiplied it by 2, and then subtracted 1 inch because I wanted my neck band to be smaller than the actual neck of the bodice. I then pinned everything together, even the sleeves, and I took it to the serger. I then fold up my 1/2 inch hem and I pin it down, and then I'm going to take this to my saw machine and do a top stitch using twin needles. I then turn the top wrong side out so I can fold up the 1/2 inch along the cutout. I then pin it down, and then I take it to the saw machine to do just a regular straight stitch. My top is sewn and pressed, and now I'm ready to put my headband in. Don't judge me because I used a headband. It was the perfect shape. So you can use wire, you can use anything you want, but this headband works for me. And here are the results. Isn't it cute? Okay, bye.